God restores everything. He is a God of restoration. He makes it right.
I am now working as staff here. And if the Lord has done so much in my life, I'm completely healed from any trauma and abuse. It's as if it never happened.
Everyone at First Contact Addiction Ministries has poured into me, and individuals that came through the program that have succeeded and continue to succeed through this program, through Christ, through everything they offer. It gave me hope.
After I spent those 7 months in jail studying the scriptures, I got out and became a missionary to Haiti. I spent 6 months there, and it was a wonderful time. I got closer to the Lord and got to share the gospel with others. Then I came back home to the United States and moved to Fruitland Baptist Bible College.
I got involved in spreading the gospel. I've been all over the world. I'm going in September back to Africa. I got involved in Celebrate Recovery. I even have my minister's license. And right now I am in Fruitland Baptist Bible College, going after whatever God wants me to go after.